In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I use Canva and Kit.com. If you're creating broadcasts in Kit.com and want them to look polished and on brand, Canva is a perfect partner. The workflow is simple. Design your visuals in Canva, download them in the right format, and place them directly into your Kit emails. I'll walk you through the process and share practical tips so your images look crisp, load quickly, and support your message. Start by designing your email graphics in Canva. Think about the visuals that will elevate your content, email banners to introduce your topic, lead magnet covers for ebooks or PDFs, social promo tiles to tease your email, opt-in form images that draw attention, and course or product graphics that showcase value. When you're choosing a canvas, templates labeled email header or presentation are great starting points because their dimensions translate well inside most email layouts. Keep readability front and center. Use high contrast colors, large enough fonts, and generous spacing so your text is legible on mobile. If you have a brand kit, apply your colors and typography for consistency. Place key elements toward the center to avoid edge cropping in narrow layouts and avoid clutter. One clear message per image usually performs best. When your design is ready, download it from Canva. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for standard images like banners or promo graphics. PNG preserves clarity and supports transparent backgrounds if you've used them. Pick PDF for lead magnets or multi-page resources so recipients can view or save them at high quality. Before you export, give your file a clear name to keep things organized. If the file size is large, consider reducing resolution slightly in the download panel to speed up email load times while keeping the image sharp. Now add your design to Kit.com emails. In your Kit account, open the broadcasts area and create a new email or open an existing draft. Use the Insert Image option, upload your Canva file, and place it where it best supports your content, often near the top to frame your headline or just above your main call to action. Check alignment, spacing, and how the image looks on mobile and desktop previews. If the image points to a resource, consider linking it so a click takes readers to your landing page or lead magnet. Keep an eye on overall email weight to ensure quick loading, and aim for a clean layout that highlights your message. That's it. Design in Canva, download smartly, and upload into Kit with confidence.